What is up, everyone, and welcome back to Solving Factory. Today, let me guide you through the process of adding games to your Roblox group. Let's dive in. So, to begin, open Roblox Studio on your computer. If you don't have Roblox Studio installed, check the description for a tutorial on how to do so. Once Roblox Studio is open, either open an existing game or create a new one. Navigate to the top right corner, select File, then choose Save to Roblox As, select Create New Game, and fill out the required information. Make sure to choose your group under the Creator section. After filling out the information, select Save in the bottom right corner. Next, go to File again and choose Publish to Roblox. Now switch to the Roblox website in your browser. Navigate to Create in the top menu. Then go to the Creator Hub and select your group. Navigate to Creations. Find your games and select it. In the game settings, under Privacy, change the setting to Public and save your changes. Back on the Roblox website, go to Groups in the left menu. Open your group and select the three horizontal dots to access the group settings. Go to Configure Group, then Settings, and enable Group Experiences are visible on the group homepage. Once saved, go back to your group page, scroll down, and you'll see the game you added to the group. That's it! Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.